Hello friends, let us discuss a simple problem from Kirchhoff's current law. So find the currents I1, I2, I3 and I in the figure. So since all the components are connected in parallel, so 12 ohms, 6 ohms, 8 ohms all are connected in parallel, okay, and the voltage across each resistor is 48 volts. So we need to find the currents in each resistor by using the Ohm's law. So coming to the problem, yeah, so Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R, Ohm's law. Okay, so determine the current I1 is equal to V by R. V is 48 volts and R is 12. So 48 by 12 is equal to 4 amperes. Okay, and I2 is equal to 48 by 6, as simple as 8 amperes, and I3 is equal to 48 by 8 is equal to 6 amperes. Okay, so according to Kirchhoff's current law, so we can get as I is equal to sum of the currents I1 plus I2 plus I3. So by adding all the currents, 4 plus 8 plus 6, 4 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 18 amperes. Okay, so we can verify the last result. So we can verify the last result, RT is equal to, so all the resistors are connected in parallel, so 1 by 1 plus 12 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. So you can get the solution as 2.666 ohms, and by applying the Ohm's law at the last, so the total current I is equal to E by RT. So that is voltage by sum of the resistance or total resistance. So that is equal to 48 by the solution 2.666. So you'll get the answer as 18 amps. Okay, so for more videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.